SHLS stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Shoals Technologies Group sitting at $4.56. It's 20% down. This is exactly how my bad. This is exactly how my chart looks like. So it's quite bearish, you know, 20% down. It's a big of an overkill. And I like, even just looking at the trend, I'm not even excited. I mean, I'm not surprised that it's 20% down. You can just look at the trend and just tell, right, it's a bearish trend. Now, context, I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything. And the only way that I'm observing this, I mean, fundamentally, it's still a supply zone that we tapped, and then it's kind of melting down. So the only thing that I can say is now it's a bearish range. And the most likely thing that we're going to clear next is the lows. So new lows to be made, candidate for that. It's only going to be something bullish for me if it starts breaking above 626, but we're not there yet. So I'm going to keep you updated, and it's not like I'm going to take a short tomorrow. This is not giving me the rules. It just kind of gapped up. So I'm kind of late. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.